newsworthy class.
Team Pakistan!
First time from Pakistan, Asheri Agha.
Alhamdulillah, we succeeded in winning the table tennis singles and doubles and also in cycling event. On behalf of Pakistan Federation and Karachi Jamaat, I wish to wholeheartedly thank the African Federation Sports Council and the Unity Games Dubai and each and every member who participated and contributed in any manner in these Unity Games for their warmth, their hospitality, for the excellent arrangements and for hosting and allowing all of us this great opportunity of unity and connecting with each other.